Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we are diving into the world of email marketing with Mailchimp. Specifically, I will show you how to change background colors in your Mailchimp email campaigns. This is a great way to add some visual flair to your emails and make them more engaging. But before we jump into the action, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest adventures and keeps you on the loop for future content. And to our returning viewers, welcome back. And we appreciate your ongoing support and could not wait to embark on this journey with all of you once again. Now, let's get right into changing the background color in your MailChimp email campaigns. It can have both aesthetic and functional importance. So number one, when you change the background color of your email, it can significantly impact its visual appeal. A well-chosen background color can make your email look more attractive and engaging to recipients, right? We have to agree about it. There's no questions, there's no debate. A visually appealing email is more likely to capture the attention of subscribers and encourage them to read further. Consistency in branding is vital for brand recognition. Changing the background color to match your brand's colors can help reinforce your brand identity in the minds of your subscribers, right? It's a way to enforce your brand across all your marketing materials. You can use, background colors strategically to highlight specific content or sections within your email. For example, you might use a different background color for call action buttons, promotions, or important announcement. This draws the recipient's attention to these elements. Background color choices can impact the readability of your email. It's essential to ensure that the text on your email contrasts well with the background color. Proper contrast makes it easier for subscribers to read the content and understand your message. Background color can help establish a visual hierarchy within your email, and then by using different background colors for section or headings, you guide the reader's eye and make it clear which parts of the email are more important or should be read first, right? So that's it. Now, depending on your audience and the context of your email campaigns, background color choices can convey cultural relevance or significance. So be mindful, as always, of cultural sensitivities and preferences in your color choices because it is important in international or diverse marketing efforts. Now, when we go to the interface, all you got to do is go to the campaign marketing editor, and then you have plenty of options here. Now you are given like a content, the layout. Say you want to change this one, the button, or you can add image. You can also add like videos and stuff. There's a creative assistant that will help you. We have a different tutorial for this creative assistant. Now you can also add some layouts here for customization. Let's say for styles. Let's say we use a different one. Okay, see how it changes, right? Then you could also actually body of color this one, so it gives a visual flair, right? It keeps the email interesting, and you can play along with it because it will give the avenue for your creative juices. So it's all, you can also change the fonts here, if it's left to right. It depends on all your preferences. So in conclusion, while changing the background Mailchimp may seem like a minor design element, but it can have significant impact on the effectiveness of your email campaigns. It can influence the overall look and feel of your emails, brand recognition, and success of your email marketing efforts. So you have to make a careful consideration of background color choices so that it can help create emails that resonates with your subscribers and convey your message effectively. All right, that's a wrap for today's tutorial on changing background colors in Mailchimp. Adding some color can really make your emails pop and grab your subscribers' attention. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. and let us know in the comments if you have any questions or if there are other Mailchimp topics you'd like us to cover in future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.